Anne is starving. Her boyfriend Jack is really hungry as well. So they are talking of where to eat now. Anne asks Jack of his preferences. Jack would like to go to a farmer's market. They sell the best produce in the city there. Anne is not sure about that. She thinks of going to the regular supermarket though. Jack insists. He doesn't like the vegetables at that shop. But Anne says she doesn't want to cook at all. So finally they decide to get some burgers. They are going to the nearest burger shop to grab a bite.